Do you base your self-worth on external validation? Are you constantly looking out into the external world for you to feel worthy? Are you dependent on people telling you that you're good enough, on a text back, on likes on social media for you to feel like a person of value? Because if you are there, don't worry, because we've all been there. We are all suffering at one moment or another, seeking external validation, but the truth is that you will never feel fulfilled. The outside world can never fulfill you, and you will never feel whole. You need to learn how to validate yourself. And I've been there where I constantly seek out external validation, and I'm just in cycles of never feeling whole because the world can't give you what you can't give yourself. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys my 5 best tips that took me out of those cycles and took me out of seeking external validation and helped me validate myself and become whole by myself. So if you want to learn, then go ahead and keep on watching. My first tip to stop seeking external validation is to name your need. You are looking for something, and that's why you constantly look out into the world, into your boyfriend, into social media for them to give you something that you don't have within. So name your need. What are you looking for? Are you looking for love, reassurance, praise, validation? Are you looking for company? Are you looking for compliments? Like, what are you looking for? Or what do you constantly seek? Like, why do you want this text back? Why do you want the likes on social media? Why do you want your boyfriend to tell you this? Why do you want this person to tell you this? What is your need? You have to name your need. Being able to name your need will already help you solve half the problem. I kid you not. Because when you're able to name your need, like, I need love, I need reassurance, I need validation, I need trust, like whatever your need is, just naming it will tell you what you need to work on. And that will give you the next steps or the intuition or the actionable steps to take, basically, so that you can start comforting and having yourself fulfill your own needs. But if you don't know your need, or if you're just doing things just to seek the external validation, you'll never be able to fulfill yourself because you don't even know what you're looking for. You're just doing things to feel good, but it's feel good from what? So the first tip and the most essential tip is to name your need. My second tip to validate yourself is to celebrate all your small wins. You are constantly winning. And I need you to realize this, that from the second you woke up, you won. Because you woke up. A lot of people don't wake up to see another day. From the second you were able to eat breakfast, you won. Because you ate today. A lot of people aren't able to feed themselves every day. From the second you were able to work out today, you won. Because a lot of people aren't motivated to work out or don't have the physical health to work out. You are winning at every single second of your day. But the thing is that you keep focusing on your losses or keep focusing on the things that you don't have, and you don't realize how much you win. So if you're able to notice and celebrate all your wins, you will literally feel validated. You will feel good. You will feel content. You will feel grateful without seeking the external validation. So literally start celebrating all your wins. So you start seeing how beautiful your life is and start validating yourself. My third tip to validate yourself is to talk to yourself in third person. And this personally really helped me because I live alone, so I talk to myself a lot. But I talk to myself in third person because how would you talk to yourself if you were your friend, if you were your mom, if you were your a boyfriend? You would not talk to yourself the way that you usually talk to yourself, because the truth is that if you had a problem and your friend told you oh, this is what I'm going through, you would not be oh my gosh, you're such a loser, you suck, you can't do anything right. You would not say that to your friend. So why do you talk to yourself like that? Stop talking to yourself. If you have to, literally talk to yourself out loud and talk to yourself in third person how you would to your friend, how you would if you were a mom, how you would if you were a girlfriend. Literally tell yourself you messed up, but you know what, it's okay, you can keep going. And this third person validation, I know it's kind of strange because you're talking to yourself in third person, but the truth is that there are 2 parts of you. It's the lower self and the higher self. So think of your higher self as a third person who's talking to your human body, to your human ego, and telling you it's all going to be okay. You are a God and you have God within and you can do everything. And you don't need anything in the exterior because you have the infinite within. You have God within. You have everything you'll ever need within. So talk to yourself in third person. It literally helps you validate yourself so much. I would definitely say that this tip helped me a lot because every single time I started getting in my head or wanted to ask somebody something just so I got that validation or I felt good enough, I would be wait, why do I need somebody else? And then I would just talk to myself like I would to a different person, and that would help me validate myself. My fourth tip to validate yourself is to detach yourself from your identity and look to the God within. Like I said, our body is literally a tool. Like our human body is a tool. Within us lives God. We are all God expressions. So you are worthy. Like nobody can tell you that you are not worthy because we are all God expressions. Every single human in this world has purpose, has a unique identity of God, has a unique way of helping the world. We are all so purposeful in this world because we are all God expressions. And if you detach from this human body, if you detach from the fact that you weren't able to do the dishes, that from the fact that you may have gained a little weight, detach yourself from that because you have such a greater purpose and there are bigger things in life than having your hair done. My hair is kind of messed up today, and that's fine because you know what, I still have a purpose to deliver a message with this video, and whether I look my best or not, I'm going to fulfill my purpose because that is my mission every single day as a God expression. So detach yourself from this identity of the human so that you feel validated, because when you are God and when you are acting as God, there is nothing in this world that can stop you. You don't need anything from this world to validate you. You know that you have a purpose and you are just going to fulfill it endlessly. So attach yourself to your identity of God, detach yourself from the human ego, and you will feel validated because God is worthy. You are worthy because you are God, and that's it, point blank, period. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to be the greatest. You don't need to look a certain way so that you are worthy. You are worthy because you are a God expression. God lives within you, and that's it. And my fifth tip to validate yourself, kind of on that same note, is to take everybody off the pedestal because no one is better than you. You are just as good as Michael Jackson, as your favorite idol. Literally every single person that did something great, Michael Jackson, Kobe Bryant, Gandhi, all the people that did something great, the only difference between you and them is that they were able to tap into the God within more. If you are not tapped into the God within, you are living from this low frequency place of the human. The more you tap into the God within, the more you are able to act off of intuition, act off of God guidance, then the more you are able to do grandiose things in the world because God is taking you to your unique purpose and your unique identity in this world. But the more you try to attach yourself to the human and to society and to the ego, the more small you will be and the more you will blend in with 90% of the world. If you want to be great, all you have to do is tap into the God within. And that means that you need to take everybody off that pedestal because no one is better than you. You should be the greatest to yourself because you are God to yourself. Every highest version, for example, my highest version or my God is just the highest version of myself. Your highest version of yourself is your unique God, which is a resemblance of you at your highest. So tap into that God within. Stop putting people on a pedestal and know that you are just as good as everybody that did anything great. All they did was tap into the God within more. So all you need to do is tap in and associate with the God within more. And when you associate yourself with the God within, you don't need external validation because like I said, why does God need validation? No. Does God need to be told that he's great? Does God need to be told that he's cute? Does God need to be told that he does grandiose things? No, he just does it because he knows he's God. And so when you associate yourself with the God within, you know that you have God within. You know you have the magic within. You know you can do anything in this world. So why do you need external validation? You do not, because you are a God too. And that will help you validate yourself. So yeah, these are 5 tips that definitely help me stop associating myself with the human ego and that need for empathy and that need to blend in and that need for comfort and that need for reassurance and validation. And I used to seek out external validation constantly, posting things or starting fights with my boyfriend so that he showed me he cared about me, or just doing the dumbest things to manipulate validation into my life when all I needed was to realize that I can validate myself and that no external validation will make you feel fulfilled unless you are fulfilled within. You need to be whole. You need to be one with yourself so that you don't seek external validation. And these 5 tips will definitely help you become one with yourself and also just tap into the God within and fulfill your purpose in this world. I hope this video changes your life as much as these tips changed my life. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Angel kisses. I love you guys so much. I'll link my little Instagram and my socials down below. Make sure you guys watch all my other videos so you guys can be a part of my aligned angel community and become one with the God within. Bye-bye.